I am going to discuss about equation solvable for x. So now write the given equation as x equals to f of y comma p. This we are considering as equation 1. And differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. Here we are differentiating this equation 1 with respect to y. Then we get dx by dy equals to phi of y comma p comma dp by dy. Since dy by dx equals to p, so here dx by dy equals to 1 by p. 1 by p equals to phi of y comma p comma dp by dy. After solving this differential equation by any one of the previous methods, we get a solution. What is the solution? F of y comma p comma c, which is equals to 0. This we are considering as equation 2. And eliminate p from equations 1 and 2. After that, what we have to do here? Eliminate p from equations 1 and 2. Then we get a required general solution. After eliminating equations from 1 and 2, we get a required general solution. It is not possible to eliminate p from the given equations 1 and 2. Then what is the general solution here? Equation 1 and solution 2 together form the general solution. Let us solve an example problem. So what is given here? Solve y square log y equals to xyp plus p square. Coming to solution, y square log y equals to xyp plus p square, which we are considering as equation 1. That implies y square log y, we are taking this p plus p square this time, so it becomes minus p square. That equals to what is remaining here? xyp. That implies y square log y minus p square equals to, now we are taking this yp this side, so multiplication becomes division. So y square log y minus p square by yp equals to x. That implies x equals to y square log y minus p square by yp. That implies x equals to, now we have to separate this. X equals to log y by yp minus p square by yp. Now we are separating this. So x equals to y square log y by yp minus p square by yp. Now square y both are cancelled here. P square p both are cancelled. Implies x equals to, what is remaining here? Y log y by p minus p by y.
Now differentiate with respect to y, then we get dx by dy equals to, this is in the form of u by v. We are using here u by v formula. What is u by v formula? U by v dx equals to u dash v minus uv dash by v square. Dx by dy equals to, here numerator is in the form of uv. So what is uv formula? uv dx equals to u dash v plus uv dash. What is u here? U equals to y, v equals to log y. U dash. Differentiation of y. What is differentiation of y here? 1 into v. What is v? Log y. Into log y plus, what is u here? Y. Y into differentiation of log y. 1 by y. Into, so for numerator only we are applying uv formula. For whole we are using u by v formula only. So into p. What is p here? V. Minus, so what is u here? Y into log y into v dash. What is v here? P. So with respect to y we are taking. So dpy dy by is v here? P. So v square means here p square. Minus differentiation of p with respect to y. So dpy dy. What is v here? Y. So into y minus u. What is u? P. Into v. What is v? Y. So the differentiation of y 1 by y square. As we discussed in the definition, dx by dy equals to 1 by p. So we are substituting in the place of dx by dy 1 by p. 1 by p equals to 1 into log y. Log y, this y will be cancelled. Log y plus 1 into p as it is minus log y into dpy dy by p square minus y into dpy dy minus p into 1. p by y square. That implies 1 by p equals to log y plus 1 into p minus y log y into dp by dy. As we are taking here LCM, so we have to multiply y square with this whole equation. Minus y into dp by dy minus p. Now we are taking this equation, we are multiplying this equation with p square by p square into y square. Now we are taking this p square y square this side, so p square y square by p equals to log y plus 1 into multiplying this with y square. So log y plus 1 into py square minus y square into y cube minus y cube log y dp by dy minus yp square. We are multiplying this with p square. Yp square into dp by dy plus p square into p cube. That implies this square p, this p will be cancelled. So p, what is remaining here? Py square equals to, now we have to take p terms one side. So log y plus 1 into py square plus p cube minus y cube log y into dp by dy minus yp square into dp by dy. That implies py square equals to log y plus 1 into py square plus p cube minus, here we are taking dp by dy into y common. So what is remaining here? Y square minus into minus plus p square. That implies py square. Now this minus term we are taking this side, so it becomes plus dp by dy into y square log y plus p square equals to, what is remaining here? Log y plus 1 into py square plus p cube. That implies dp by dy into y square log y plus p square equals to log y plus 1 into py square plus p cube. Now this py square we have to take this side, so plus becomes minus here, minus py square. That implies dp by dy into y square log y plus p square equals to, now we have to multiply with this with py square. Py square log y plus 1 into py square plus py square plus p cube minus py square. Minus py square plus py square both are cancelled here. So what is remaining here? dp by dy into y square log y plus p square equals to, so here we are taking p common, so p into y square log y plus p square. So here y square log y plus p square, y square log y plus p square both are cancelled. That implies what is remaining here? dp by dy into y equals to p. That implies dp into y equals to p into, now we have to take this dy this side, so p into dy. That implies dp, now this p comes this side, so dp by dy. dp by p equals to dy by, we have to take this y this side, so dy by y. Now integrating on both sides, so integral, now we have to integrate on both sides. Integral 1 by p dp equals to integral 1 by y dy. Integral 1 by p dp, what is the formula? Log p equals to integral 1 by y dy means again log y plus log c. That implies log p equals to, now this is in the form of log a plus log b. So what is the formula for log a plus log b? Log a plus log b equals to log ab. Log p equals to log yc. So both logs are cancelled here. That implies p equals to yc. Now substitute this p equals to yc in equation 1. What is equation 1? Y square log y equals to xyp plus p square. That implies y square log y equals to, what is p here? Yc plus yc whole square. That implies y square log y equals to x y square c plus y square c square. That implies y square log y equals to, now here we have to take y square common. So what is remaining? xc plus c square. So both y squares are cancelled. Log y equals to xc plus c square. This is the solution.